Hey guys, welcome to another video brought to you by Beats Media. This is another episode of my eBay business, and as I'm recording this, we are still on week 4 and it is Friday. I normally only do weekly updates, but something awesome just happened and I just wanted to share this moment with you guys. This is my biggest flip I've done so far. Let me show you guys what we sold. Before this video starts, I just want to show you guys something real quick. So I do have eBay affiliate links in the description. I just wanted to thank the people that have actually used the eBay affiliate links. It looks like somebody on March 6th used it. I got 11 cents from the sale. It also looks like somebody on March 13th bought something and I earned 22 cents. So I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Looks like overall I've earned 32 cents, so pretty sweet. If you guys purchase anything on eBay after clicking the affiliate link in my description, it could be cleaning products, it could be a shirt, I get a small little commission from it, so very much appreciated. Thank you. Okay, so we just sold this Sony cassette player. I actually purchased this Sony cassette player for about $5, including tax, a little bit over $5, and that's what we sold it for, you guys. So pretty happy about this sale, and we're gonna ship out this item tomorrow. So why is this a special moment? Because up until now, pretty much everything that we've sold I've already owned, and anything I did purchase with the intent of reselling didn't make me enough of a profit to brag about. It was probably like a few cents here, a few dollars here, but this is the biggest profit I've made off of one item so far that I actually purchased with the intent of selling. So let's get this bad boy packed up. Have the cords freshly rubber band here. For this beautiful moment, I'm actually going to be using real bubble wrap. Wow, this is fancy. They're getting fancy in here. And this bubble wrap is just leftover from a package I received a while ago with light bulbs. So, didn't pay for it yet. Put the item in the box. Before I put the newspaper on, this is what I have so far. I have those bubbles in the corners just to make sure that it doesn't bounce off against the corners. And in between, I also have some grocery bags to, again, make sure no damage actually goes towards the actual item. So we're gonna line it up with newspaper the rest of the way and see how it goes. And we're doing a little test right now just to make sure it's not gonna bounce around too much. It seems like it'll be very secure once I actually tape off the top. So we're gonna bring this into the house and get it taped up. Now let's weigh this bad boy, see how much it weighs. There you go. 172.35. So obviously we're gonna round that up to 173 ounces. Which is the top? This is the top. Hey guys, a little windy today. It is actually still week 4 and today is Saturday morning, and this morning I woke up to a notification saying that I sold another item. So check out what I sold. So I sold this Zune, I do believe it's a 30 gigabytes, or I forget how many is actually on here, but I had this just in a tote at my old house, so I decided to pick it out and it sold for a decent amount. I'll have the listing on the screen here. So 100% profit. So let's package this bad boy up, take this and the video cassette player to the post office. Right. Just like that, we have a nifty little package over here. And like normal, it's not the prettiest packaging, but hey, it works out. This is 100% free packing material that I'm using here, and it doesn't shake or anything like that, and gonna be very safe on its journey to the buyer. So let me show you guys how much I've made by selling these 2 items, and we're gonna end the video. And just like that, they're ready for the post office. So before we get on to the profits, I actually just got back from the post office store and just stole this book. So on with the profits. Okay, so let's see where we're at with the eBay business. As you could see at this point, it looks like we've sold, how many items? Looks like we've sold 16 items with the total sale price of $292.17. Now, what is my overall profit from everything that I've sold so far? That is this number up here. Right now, my total profit is $154.18. Some of these things that I purchased in the beginning haven't sold yet. I might not have them currently listed on eBay just because I only have 50 listing right now. I'm trying to choose the best listings that will give me a decent profit. Once I have 50 listings that will generate a decent amount of profit, that's when I'll start adding these smaller items that might generate like 50 cents, $1. These are just the items that I purchased very early on, so had room to make some mistakes, like a mug that cost me about 50 cents. These shirts did cost me a little bit more at $4.50, but that's quite all right. I went to community aid when it was 50% off day, so I got some clothes for about $2 each, and went over to the Dollar Tree and purchased a couple of coin wrappers just to see if they'll sell. I'll at least be sending the item and hopefully getting better feedback from my eBay profile. And these Wilson tennis wraps are something that I picked up from the Walmart clearance. As you can see, I also have them categorized by where I purchased them at. And down here we have some VCRs that I recently purchased that I actually just listed today. VCRs at $5, and then the rewinders at mostly $2 and one at $3. This is how I'm keeping everything organized. Hopefully it'll make everything a lot easier on my tax person next year when I actually have to file taxes on all of my earnings. So right now, the most expensive thing I've sold still was my very first sale at $79. Made a profit of $68 there. But then again, that's something I owned. In terms of something that I actually purchased and flipped, the biggest sale for sure is that tape player that I was showing you guys earlier at $61.76 profit. And I also just sold that Zune like we had seen earlier, but I already owned that as well. So $52 profit there. And that Stephen King book that I sold at only 28 cents profit. But hey, I only paid $1 for that. So if you think about it, I made 28% profit. And I think that's pretty good. If you're taking these low risk investments and you get that percentage of a return, that is definitely very good in my book. Again, I'm not just going to be purchasing a bunch of books and making that my main focus. At this point, I'm thinking about niching down and selling electronics in addition to clothes. Although my clothes I haven't listed yet. I don't have a good way to take pictures of all of them. I'm debating buying like a mannequin or maybe a nice white backdrop and some lights. Again, that's something I might have to invest in the future. But for now, maybe I'll just take a couple pictures of some shirts on a wood board. But that's something to decide about. Let me show you guys what I currently have listed on eBay. So as you can see, I currently have 44 listings active. I've taken some down because I don't think they'll make me any money. And I just thought they were just wasting my active listings, because right now I have 50 free listings, and after 30 days, they automatically renew. And if you're out of the free listings, then they'll charge you, I think it's 30 cents per listing. So let me scroll down to how many listings I have left. It looks like I have 21 remaining for this particular month, and I just don't want to risk a bunch of them rolling over and having to actually pay extra for the listing. So these are a couple of things that I actually just listed today. I listed the 2 VCRs that you guys saw earlier. I did do some research to see what they were selling for. I unfortunately didn't have any remotes for either of them, so that picture's pretty grainy. So I might have to start, these pictures were taken with my phone just because it's very easy for me to list on my phone. I can see my leg there. Whoops, just a little bit, just a small mistake there. So as you can see, another VCR, and I also listed, I think I have 5, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rewinders right now at various prices, $1.99, no, $11.99, and then $10 for each. 13 bucks, and 12 bucks. So we'll see where we're at next week. But as I'm recording this part of the video, it is Saturday, and we dropped off the packages earlier this morning, and I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at in terms of my profit for eBay. So $150 profit with all expenses, in addition to all of the inventory that I purchased, that not all of them are on eBay yet, just because I want to get a good way of presenting them on eBay. Because when I was taking pictures the other day with my phone, some of the shirts looked like a different color than what they were supposed to. Like I had like a maroon type of shirt, and it looked kind of pinkish in the picture, and I just wasn't feeling it, especially with fashion items. I want to make sure that they know what they're getting. So need better lighting equipment, and I need a better way to present the actual item. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to always show you guys the exact numbers that I'm making, because a lot of the resellers on YouTube, I've noticed that they mostly talk about their sales, but they don't really talk about like what overall profit they have. And since this is my eBay business series, I feel like it is very important for you guys to know what my eBay business is looking like, especially since I started from day one showing you guys what I'm doing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to leave a like. Also, if you would like to support the channel, feel free to click on my eBay affiliate link below. And if you purchase anything within 24 hours, it could be socks, underwear, t-shirts, and I just get a small kickback for you clicking that link. So if you do, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.